This is perfect for washing your hair without needing an extra conditioner. I will show you how I made it and how I use it to cleanse and nourish my scalp while minimizing shedding. So guys, stay tuned. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Let's start talking about the ingredients and why they are so amazing for your hair. First, I mentioned 2 tablespoons of fenugreek. Fenugreek is a powerhouse for hair. It strengthens the strands, reduces breakage, and promotes healthy growth. It also helps with scalp health, reducing dandruff and soothing irritation. So next, I measured 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, reducing dryness and improving elasticity. It is also fantastic for moisturizing your hair and preventing split ends. I added 2 tablespoons of rosemary. Rosemary is a natural scalp stimulator that improves blood circulation, promoting thicker, healthier hair growth. It also helps to reduce hair loss and can even darken grays over time with regular use. Once I add all the ingredients measured, I blended the fenugreek, flaxseed and rosemary into fine powder as you can see earlier. Blending ensures the nutrients are fully released during the preparation. Then I poured the powdered mixture into boiling water and allowed it to boil for 3 minutes before setting it aside to cool. Here is an important tip. I didn't let the mixture cool off completely. If it gets too cold, it loses the right consistency and becomes difficult to work with. Once it was warm but not too hot, I sieved the mixture to remove any pulp, ensuring it was smooth and easy to apply. After sieving this mixture, I mixed in my coffee while the liquid was still warm. Now, coffee isn't just your morning boost, it's great for hair too. It stimulates hair follicles, encouraging growth and adds shine to your strands. The caffeine in coffee strengthens the hair roots and can even reduce hair fall over time. Now that I've finished mixing the coffee very well, I went ahead to add my shampoo. Now you can use any shampoo of your choice. After adding my shampoo into this mixture, I went ahead and stirred until I got a creamy smooth consistency. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, share to your family and friends, and click on that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. Once this mixture is ready, I transfer the mixture into a bottle for easier application. Once I transfer the mixture into a bottle, I add a few drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is an amazing ingredient for hair care because it stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. It also has a cooling sensation that soothes irritation, reduces itching, and leaves your scalp feeling refreshed and revitalized. Plus, peppermint's antimicrobial properties help maintain a clean, healthy scalp environment, which is essential for strong and beautiful hair. Now that this is all done, I'm going to show you how I use it. First of all, I removed the rubber bands that I use in holding my hair. Then I massage my hair just for a little bit because it helps to, massaging helps blood circulation, of course. And then I started using this, which is not ideal, and it will make it difficult to work with. I went ahead to divide my hair into 4 sections before applying the mixture in my hair and my scalp. Once I finished sectioning my hair, I went ahead to start applying this mixture in my scalp and in my hair. And as I do so, I gently massage my hair thoroughly to make sure this is penetrating. And don't forget your edges, guys. When doing this, make sure you massage this content into your scalp very well, especially your edges. And I like the fact that this shampoo mixture gives me that sleep I'm looking for. As I'm massaging my hair, I use my finger to comb my hair first to gently separate any knots in my hair. So after doing that, I went ahead to use a wide tooth comb to glide through my hair. I made sure to show you the amount of hair I shed during this step. It was minimal compared to the usual wash day. After finishing one section, I moved on to the next, repeating the same process until all 4 sections were done. So guys, this is the hair that I shed. Once all 4 sections are completely coated with this mixture, this is the remaining amount of mixture I have left. So I massage my hair gently before using my shower cap to cover my hair. After this massage, I covered my hair with my shower cap and let this mixture sit for 2 minutes. This allows the natural ingredients to deeply condition and nourish my hair. So after 2 minutes, I removed the cap and showed you how my hair looked before rinsing. When I rinsed off this mixture, my hair felt so soft and hydrated. I also combed through my hair again to check for shedding, and this time, I didn't shed any hair at all. The results were amazing. So my hair was clean, shining and well conditioned without needing a separate conditioner. This 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their wash day routine while keeping their hair healthy. I hope you try this out and let me know how it works for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know if you try this or if you have your own DIY hair care tips. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.